Hey guys, I am about to unbox my package from Best Buy. I know what it is and I can't wait to show you guys. Survivor Series War Games 2022, the first ever War Games for a WWE major event. Major pay-per-view event. This was one of the greatest pay-per-view matches I ever watched. I loved it. It was amazing. I liked it. The men's war game was phenomenal. The women's war game was phenomenal. I love this. And it says the sticker. I'm going to see what the sticker is. Oh, sorry guys, forgot. Here's the front, and here's the back. It is the Undertaker. Sweet! That's the sticker today, this month of the paper, the DVD of the Undertaker. If you guys want the sticker, hit me up on my eBay page, or hit me up on here, then I'll send it to you somehow. Alright guys, peace out.